Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Leah Lee, and y'all already know what this video is going to be about. Your girl is sprucing up, fixing up these eyebrows. If y'all have been with me on my live streams these past couple days, y'all already know that I said that I have been letting my brows grow out. I have not really been plucking at them. Only like down here where I know that hairs aren't needed. That's the only thing that I've been cleaning up. I haven't been cleaning up here at all, or even in the middle. Now I am using this mustache and beard just for men in the color dark brown. Y'all see this right here. I have seen a couple different videos online, seen a couple different pictures online. Your girl is ready to try it. I have some baby wipes right here. I'm going to kind of cleanse off, and I have some alcohol. That's probably what I use. Some alcohol to clean off any oils from my face that would mess up the color from adhering to the hair. I'm really jumping right into this video. Ain't no reason to really stall around. And I'm going to be using an angle brush. I know this comes with a little stippler, like stippler type brush for the beard or mustache, but it's too big for eyebrows. In order for me to stay in control of where the color is going, I'm going to be using a makeup brush that I'm going to be cleaning off right this second. I'm going to use this one since this one is clean already. Now, some people are want to tell you that with any eyebrow tinting, it needs to be for the eyebrows, for the eyelashes. I do not recommend this for eyelashes whatsoever. It says not to use on eyebrows, but you know us, we on a budget, we quarantine and still trying to look good for the gram. I'm going to show y'all everything that is included in the inside of this thing. So it basically is like some type of flyer for what's coming next for this brand. It comes with the color developer, the color base, this brush, a pair of gloves, and the instructions. Now I will be reading these instructions briefly just to let me know how much color and color developer I need. Go ahead and lay this bad boy out. It says do a color test patch, of course. We're jumping in this thing head first. I'm gonna just let y'all know that right now. I don't recommend this for everybody. If you know that you have sensitive skin, I recommend you doing a color patch, maybe like on your arm or inside right here, just to see how your skin is going to react to this product. Now it says really quickly, wear gloves, squeeze a line from the color base tube onto the mixing tray on one side of the raised line. Okay, so basically this color tray has like a little image which y'all are not going to be able to see. It's clear. It's telling me to squeeze one color on this side, one of the products on this side, and one of the products on this side. And it also has these images on the inside of this pamphlet. Easy to follow along. It says squeeze an equal amount of the color developer into the mixing tray on the other side. You only have two products, so it's gonna be one on one side, one on the other. This is the color developer. I know I don't need a whole lot, so I'm only using a little tiny bit. Maybe I should use a little bit more, but I'm not doing no whole line like a man would have to use for his beard, because your girl is gonna save some for a rainy day. Using this color base, this is M as in money, dash 45 in the color dark brown, and I'm squeezing equal amount onto this side. Then it says number 2, for best results, mix product with the plastic end of the brush until thoroughly blended. Do not mix with the bristle end. An unmixed product may get stuck in the bristles. Wipe the end of the tube to prevent staining. It's telling us to mix with the end of this. I do. That's it. So I'm just gonna mix it like that. This is literally more than enough for some brows, unless you have really thick brows. Maybe use a little bit more, but y'all, brows don't take up that much product. It doesn't say for a certain amount of time. Just make sure the product is mixed thoroughly. And then it says, of course, to avoid getting any product on the skin, put some petroleum jelly around the beard line. All right, so I'm taking my brush here. Let me kind of move this right here so y'all can still see a tinge what I'm doing. Mind y'all, I did not put any petroleum jelly on the outside because I doubt that it's going to transfer or rub down anywhere. I know it is to protect the skin, but I don't have any petroleum jelly. I don't use Vaseline or petroleum jelly. The only thing that I have anywhere near something like that is cocoa butter. Guys, it has been 10 minutes since I've had this dye on. I've seen a couple different videos where a young lady had did hers for like the 5 minutes that it recommends for mustache and beards. And she said when she took it off, it didn't look as full and as dark as she wanted it to. And she did it another time for 10 minutes and she achieved the color that she wanted. So I was like, let me just leave it on for 10 minutes and, you know, see where we go from here. Child, I'm nervous to see how this is gonna look. I'm using just a baby wipe, no soap and water. I have a couple baby wipes right here. Y'all seen the pack. I'm just gonna take it off. I did apply it, you know, a couple different times. Oh, child, this is dark. Maybe I applied too much, cause child, we're gonna have to use some soap and water. Oh my goodness. Or maybe I should have just went with a lighter color, cause geez Louise, these things look like caterpillars. I'm even surprised that this adhere to my skin. Oh my god, y'all, this is so dark. Oh my gosh, I did not expect for this to be this dark. How long did this stay on? Because your girl is about to be using I don't know how long this stay on, but I'm pretty sure a couple washes and it'll be off. So I'm gonna conceal my brows. Child, I literally don't have to use any pencil at all. Like, wow. I didn't think this was gonna be this crazy. What did I do? I need a spoolie. So I definitely only wanted it to tint the hairs, but that was what the petroleum jelly purpose would have served. And I don't like my brows to be so blunt in the beginning. Ooh, child, this ain't coming off no more. These bad boys, I feel like once the dye dies down a little bit, like on the hairs, it'll be cool. Cause it's just so blunt right now. I'm just looking like crazy. I know y'all like, okay, it worked, but sis might have put on too damn much. It's all good. Don't look. It's not like I have anywhere to be. Or maybe I could have. I think this is the right color, but maybe I should have just used less. I think it's cool that I don't have to put any makeup on the actual brow part. It's just to conceal them. Like, that's okay with me. I am finished, y'all. your girl had to conceal these brows because these things is kind of crazy outside this concealer, as y'all already have seen. So you can see how much I still have left over. There is a ton, like 4 more people can get their brows done with this amount that I used. So, oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Use only a little teeny tiny bit and use even less when applying it. This is my first time doing anything like this on myself. So this is definitely a learning curve right here. Oh my gosh, I got it on me right here. So y'all take from me, this thing was $8. So y'all can definitely tint your own brows. I know I'm gonna have like a spot there for like 3 days at least. But y'all can get y'all brows and stuff together. Even if we are stuck in the house, go to Walgreens, go to Family Dollar, CVS, Walmart, any type of pharmacy or beauty supply store, and get y'all some tinting on and popping. Be careful. I do suggest to use the petroleum jelly just to keep some type of a liner really for your brows, especially if you have not had a cleanup. So like myself, I need to get on the top of here. It is real fuzzy going on right now. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. That was scary, child, and I'm about scared to take this concealer off. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but it's gonna be looking good in about 2-3 days. I already know. I can feel it in my bones. It's gonna be looking good. It's gonna be good. Y'all have faith in me. But yeah, all right, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Until then, make sure you click down below in the pinned comment. Leave your testimonial for me. The contest ends March 30th, so make sure y'all get those in for me. I love all of y'all. Until next time, peace, love, and Afro grease.